Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, today we are going to model a clamp or a clip, a hose clip, and the specific type that we're going to be modeling is called a P-clip, right? Okay, cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump to this view. We're going to grab a center circle, click on the grid and pull that out, something like this. Then we're going to grab a straight line, go from the base out to about here, right click, and then grab another line slightly higher and click right there and right click. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to a little trim tool thingy. We're going to get rid of this. Then we're going to join the edges. So my trim tool is still active, sorry. 1, 2, and 3, and hit J on your keyboard. From here we're going to go and hit Shift D to move this over. That seems to be about right. We have these two, so we're going to click 1 and 2 and go in here and click on loft, which will give us something like this. After that's lofted, we're going to give it some thickness, so we're going to go in here and we're going to click on thicken, do that. Then we're going to go in and select this edge and this edge, and we're going to round that over. That looks to be about right. I'd say so, yeah. Okay, cool. So we have that. Then what we're going to do is we are going to round over the sides. So we're going to grab this, all these. Let's see if that will work. I want it to round over like that. That's good. And then we need to have a hole through these ends, right? And for that, we'll jump to the top view. I'll grab this guy in the center, pull that out to about there. Then we're gonna get out of this view. We're gonna push this downward to create a cut. Click on OK. Then we're gonna go back in and grab these guys and chamfer them a little bit. Oh, this is actually rounded, but that's fine. Actually, it's not fine. Let's do a proper chamfer. There you go. Yeah, looks better. All right. So yeah, that's a very simple way to make a clip. And if you want to create some thickness like it's coated in rubber, and you can do that, right? Let me see. One of the ways I could do that is to grab a line, go in here, and just going to go straight down. Right click. We're going to hit C to cut that. Click on this guy. There you go. Then we're going to go and hide this stuff. That's kind of annoying. So we have that. Then we're going to click out of this, and then we can go and hide this stuff. So we have all of this going on. And from here, you can go and select all the faces that are involved in creating a little bit of thickness. So with all of these selected, almost all of them, that looks good to me. We're going to go in here, we're going to go and click on thicken. raise it up like that, right? So that will give you a P-clip, right? And that's how you do it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.